should. Really? All right. So I learned the technique on this.
No, well, okay.
You tip it upside down.
Yeah.
Abel, did you just fail at another magic trick?
Do you have enough memory?
For anything? No.
All right.
Oh
so,
yeah, no, I did. I deleted a lot of shit.
All right. So you stab the bottom of it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And then you put it to your mouth and you open the top.
Okay. All right.
But like the problem is, like Joe had a really sharp knife when he did it. Oh shit, we're doing it. Oh shit. I didn't do it.
I didn't do it either.
I almost did it.
I didn't do almost.
It's too cold.
It's real cold.
Oh.
It's really
Hold on.
cold.
We got this. Bubbles.
There's a-
Fuck that. I'm just taking sips at this point out of the hole at the bottom.
Filled my stomach.
Well, you spilled a bunch of yours.
Yeah, she did.
I didn't spill any of mine.
You know what, Cedric?
Whoa! Jesus! Jesus, Jenny! No!
What the fuck was that? Did you just vomit?
No, there was that grit in it.
Oh.
You're supposed to like shotgun it right down. Like the whole thing.
Joe did it in like 5 seconds.
Well,
I don't
Joe is a magical person.
He must have like opened his throat up or something.
Joe's a wizard!
This is the most viewers we got all